Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I apologize for this video going up late, but I have been fighting with my camera settings. I've been trying to get it set up for my other channel, and yeah, that hasn't been working out so well because I have to run it through a cam link, and yeah, the settings just got totally jacked up, and I've been fighting with it for hours, and I don't have it in me to do that anymore because I want to get this done so I can take my muscle relaxers and go to bed. Because yeah, I was in quick care last night because I think my shoulder was partially dislocated from my car accident, and that's why I was having so much pain with it. And when I moved it, something popped, and it kind of reminded me when my left wrist was dislocated partially, and it popped back in after about 3 weeks because I didn't know. I just thought it hurt, and yeah, it felt very much like that. I had it checked out. X-rays are cool, but yeah, so I just still not feeling the greatest. Like, I'm in good spirits and stuff, but I'm not feeling the greatest. So I just want to get this filmed, get it edited and uploaded, even though it should have gone up 3 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm still just sitting down to film, and it is what it is. So we're just going to go ahead and pretend that this isn't late, even though it's going to be like an hour late. So this is Child of the 80s Project Pan, and it is a year-long project. It was created by Jaylon. Of course, she's going to be listed down below. There's going to be a link to her channel. There's going to be a link to the spreadsheet of everyone that has joined into this project. And it is a year-long project. Started on the first of the year, ends on the last day of the year. There's 80 prompts, and I finally have them all rolled in as of the last update. And now I can start updating some things that, one, I have some rollouts. And then I have a ton of stuff in front of me that I just haven't updated that has progress because I was so busy rolling everything in. So I'm going to pull all of my rollouts, and then after that we will get into the things that are continuing on that are still doing their thing, and I will hopefully have some of these as empties for the next update. So first up is going to be Pretty in Pink, and of course that is something pink. Of course it is. This is ColourPop Jelly Much in No Rest for the Vivid. It is beautiful, and I had this one in for 5 uses. I was able to get that, and now this is going to go right back in my drawer because I like it. It's just not something I'm going to wear every day, but I do enjoy it. Next up is going to be, let me scroll up on my very lengthy spreadsheet over here. Oh my god, that is a favorite item or an item that shocks you. This is definitely in the favorites category. This is from e.l.f. It is the Moonlight Pearls highlighter. It is a baked highlighter, and I just had this one in for 10 uses. I was able to get my 10th use on this. That was a couple weeks ago, I think. Week, 2, 3 weeks ago. I don't remember, but I've got them all now, and that's what's important. Next is going to be It Takes Two. I'm going to have that song stuck in my head now. That is Rob Bass and DJ Easy Rock. So that is a duo or a dual-ended product, and I'm throwing it at you guys. This one from Ulta. This is the Blackout Plum Duo Eyeliner, and yeah, I just needed to use it 10 times. It didn't matter which side, and I primarily used the purple side. Though I did use the black a couple of times, it was mostly the purple side because I'm also trying to finish a black eyeliner, so yeah. It was mostly the purple, and I apologize for being awkward. It's my right shoulder that's bothering me, so I'm trying to do everything left-handed, and I am so not ambidextrous. Might have to work on that. All right, wax on, wax off, and that is from the Karate Kid, and that is a product that contains wax. So, of course, eyeliners. This is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. I had this one in for 10 uses as well. I was able to get that. I've used it on as a liner. I've used it as a base. I've used it as like a lip liner, which I just realized I didn't put any lip color on. All I have is like a sheer gloss. Oh well, it is what it is. So 4 empties, or not empties, they weren't empties. Good grief, Jessica. 4 rollouts. Oh my god, now my camera wants to overheat. This is not my day. I'm going to go for as long as I can, and then I'm going to have to turn my camera off. It's because I was fighting with it for so long that it wants to overheat. All right, let's do this. Let's see. Star Wars, something glittery. I have Bath & Body Works In the Stars body spray for 10 uses. I have gotten 5 uses on it so far. The first time I sprayed it, I was like, I'm not sure if I really like that. It wasn't really me, but it's kind of grown on me. It's probably not something I would repurchase, but I'm okay with it now. All right, let's see. Next one is going to be How Rude. And that is a product that is expensive. And I have the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust Shadow in Space Time. And the reason I was able to do that so quickly is because I'm looking at it on my spreadsheet, because normally I struggle. Good grief. You can see where I am on this one. I'm about ready to pull the stop route. I just haven't done it yet. It's an arm shoulder thing, but I will be pulling that out as soon as I am physically able to do it. All right, moving on to another one bites the dust. That is Queen, of course, and that is a product that is almost finished. This is from Coastal Scents. It is, I always forget whether it's Cloud White or White Cloud, but I think White Cloud is like toilet paper, so it's Cloud White. So there it is. That is how much I have left, and my autofocus is being stubborn. It is being absolutely stubborn. All right, I'm going to go until my camera shuts off, or, I have some pity for it. Don't have a cow, man, and that is an easy to pan product. Hair gel. It was brand new when I brought it in. This is the Eco Style Olive Oil Styling Gel, and you can see the line right there where I am. Yeah, it is almost done. I don't know if it's going to be done by the next update. Pardon my little itchy nose, but yeah, it'll be real soon. All right, Light Bright, something that makes your skin shine from within. So for me, that is skincare, and this is the Simple Science 5%. I don't even know what it is. I'm going to put it up close. It's a booster serum, and this is from Isomers. Yeah, I can't read all that nonsense. There's words there that I struggle with on a daily basis. You put me on steroids and muscle relaxers and gabapentin. Yeah, doesn't work for me. It's almost done. You can see where I am, and like the glass is solid up to about here, so I think that's going to be done by the next update. Yeah, pretty sure that one is. All right, Wild Thing. That is a wild item in your collection. It can be like a duo or multi-chrome, something that changes colors, etc. This is a nail polish from Nina, and it is called Spell on You. I brought it in for 3 uses. Surprisingly, I've already gotten 2 uses on this one. That's kind of incredible for me. Shrinky Dinks, a mini or deluxe size item, but not a sample. So I have this from the Inky list. It is the Hydro Surge Dewy Face Mist. And you can see where my line is right there. I'm making good progress on this. It'll be done by finale, but it's not going to be done by the next update. All right, scrolling up, because I have so many things that I wanted to talk about, because I haven't talked about my progress since the beginning, unless, it was something that was rolling out. So let's see. Girls just want to have fun, so it's a fun or colorful item. This is not the right one. Good grief, Jess. This one, it's Sinful Colors Nail Polish in Fuchsia U. I do have it on my nails today. I only have 1 coat on because that's all I had time to put on. I will be putting another coat on, and then I will be putting a glitter topper and a top coat. I just, I ran out of time. All right, next is I've Fallen and I Can't Get Up. It is a product you gave into buying. I gave it to my daughter. She's the one that picked this out. This is LA Girl Swanky, and I have this one in for 3 uses. And I totally missed one. But had it in for 3 uses. I've got 2 uses on it already. And I totally screwed up. This one I only have 1 of 3 uses on. I'm a mess. I'm an absolute mess. That I would like to blame on the muscle relaxers, but yeah, that was just all me. All right, the one that I missed, and it is Pat Benatar, a bright or dark cheek product. So I have the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush in Blush Me Up, and I have gotten 3 of 5 uses on that one already. I think I'm back on track now. Let me scroll. I think that was part of my problem. I wasn't scrolling because, you know, yeah. All right, Footloose, a product that would have been forbidden when you were a teen. I was not allowed to wear colored lipsticks. I could have gloss, lip balm, that kind of stuff, but no actual lipstick. So I have the Cien lipstick in Gentle Mauve. I have this in for 5 uses. I've gotten 2 uses on it so far. One that I'm wearing today, let's see. Dipstick from Dukes of Hazzard, an item you feel like an idiot for buying. This one right here. It's gorgeous. I love it. I'm wearing it in the center of my lids today. This is Amethyst from Coastal Scents, and I feel like an idiot for buying it because I already owned it. Yeah, what are you going to do? Super itchy nose. Let's see. Princess Bride, an item that you love. Also use this today. This is the NYX Glitter Primer. I have a goal of 5 uses, and I've already gotten 3. So odds are pretty good that one's rolling out next time, along with a few other things. But I digress. We need to forge ahead because I'm behind. I am behind the times. All right, 21 Jump Street. Use any item 21 times. I have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette, the original, obviously for 21 uses, since that's what the prompt calls for. I've only gotten 4 uses on it so far. So, you know, I have a ways to go. But I just rolled that in last update, so, you know, everything from here on out, I just rolled in. Plus some of the things I just showed you. But, yeah, we're making progress. Simon Says, a product you bought because someone told you to. Cantu products in general. So this is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, in for 10 uses. I've gotten 5 already. Odds are pretty good that will be rolling out next month. And I don't know if you can see Greta because my lighting in this camera is a little wonky right now, but she's down here doing her Greta thing. All right, 2 more to go. So, I have, hold on, I just lost my spot. Air Jordans, a highly sought after item, and it was back in the day. This is NARS Orgasm Blush. Oh, I forgot I'm not allowed to lift that arm. That's what she looks like. I have it in for 5 uses, and there's Greta making her noise. I've already used it twice since I brought it in. I thought for sure I was going to get through before it overheated and shut itself off, but it didn't happen. Pretty sure I was on NARS Orgasm now that my camera has cooled down and made me even later with this video. But yeah, I have gotten 2 of 5 uses on this one, and I'm pretty sure that one is going to be rolling out for the next update. And the one that I am working, or that I'm holding in my hand right now, is Wake Me Up Before You Go Go. Of course, that's Wham. And that is an item that wakes up your face or body or any part of you, really. And I have the NYX Lavender Color Corrector in for 5 uses. I have gotten 2 uses on this. Odds are pretty darn good that is going to roll out the next update. So now that my camera is slightly cooler, I have a feeling that In the Stars will be rolling out. I need to use this 5 more uses before the next update. I mean, I suppose it's possible on the gel because it's low and it is getting more narrow, but it's probably going to be, it'll probably be in the finale. Man, we're getting so close to the end of this. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of things I'm not going to finish, but I'm okay with that. The Simple Science by Isomers, I think that's going to be done because, yeah, there's hardly any left in there. Let's see. The nail polish, I only need one more use. I can do that. Hey, I might even do a topper with that. Now, there's another one I wanted to put over it, but probably not on the face mist. I think that's going to take another extra little bit of time, so that'll be in the finale. Let's see, scrolling, Sinful Colors, I need 2 uses on this one. I think that one's going to happen. No, maybe not. It's going to be by the finale. Let's see. Revolution, the blush. Yes, I think that's going to be done. How many do I have? I only need 2 more uses. Yeah, that one's rolling out next time. LA Girl Swanky, need 1 more use. That's going to happen. The lipstick, I need 3 uses. That's going to happen. This Hot Pot, it's purple, and I only need 3 uses. Totally going to happen. I don't know. I mean, I suppose it's possible, but I need a lot more uses on that. I've only got 4 of 21. Don't make me math right now. What is that, 17? Did I just math? I think I did that right. I don't know. I don't think I can do that by the next update. Let's see. NARS, I need 3 uses. That's a piece of cake. This one, what did I say? 3 uses, piece of cake. And then the Cantu, I need 5 more uses. Totally going to happen. So I'm going to have a lot of rollouts for the next update. I am going to be stuck with a lot of products that I'm not going to be able to reach my goal most likely. But I'm sitting at that 50% mark right now. I have 40 of 80 done. If I have calculated and not forgotten to mark something, which I'm usually pretty good about, but you know, lately my brain is kind of mush, so I'm at 50%. I'm doing good. The fact that I'm going to have this many rollouts next time, yeah, I feel like I'm going to be doing okay with this one. Not going to finish everything. I'm okay with that, but I'm going to finish a lot of them. So that is my update. Not so short or so sweet. A little bit goofy, but you know, that's just the nature of me right now. So yeah, I'm going to go edit this very minimally. I just have to kind of like splice things together, put the absolute basics on there, and you know, that's going to be about it. I'm going to upload it. It's going to take a while, but it's going to be a long video. It's going to be up. It's just going to be late, and I apologize for that. Hopefully I can get my stuff together and do it right the next time. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.